how to use biometrics to access secret mode on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use biometrics to access secret mode on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and then click settings and scroll down. Here you will find personal browsing data. Click on it and then click this one, secret mode settings. And here we'll find use biometrics. All you need to do is just turn it on, and as you see, use biometrics have been enabled. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.